Neuroscience News of the Week, May 14, 2023. Welcome to Neuroscience News Top 5 Articles of the Week. We're going to take a look back over the latest breakthroughs that had our readers buzzing over the past 7 days. Number 5. Thought power. Altering tactile perception with the power of imagination. Researchers explored whether beliefs could alter the tactile perception threshold in individuals. Using hypnotic suggestion, participants were asked to imagine their index finger as either 5 times smaller or larger. The study found no change in discrimination threshold during normal consciousness or hypnosis without suggestion. However, with the inclusion of the size belief under hypnosis, the tactile discrimination threshold changed systematically. When participants believed their finger was larger, they could distinguish 2 close-together needles as separate points of contact more accurately. Conversely, believing their finger was smaller impaired their discrimination ability. These findings, which were supported by concurrent brain activity measurements, suggest that top-down influences of beliefs on perception do exist. Number 4. Diet and dementia. Study uncovers gut-brain link to Alzheimer's. A new study strengthens the suspected link between gut health and Alzheimer's disease. Researchers found a significant correlation between specific types of gut bacteria and the development of Alzheimer's. 6 types of bacteria were identified as protective, while 4 others were marked as risk factors. An imbalance in gut bacteria could negatively affect immune functions, trigger a neuroinflammatory response, and promote the development of Alzheimer's. However, the team noted that further research is needed to pinpoint the specific bacterial species influencing risk or protection. Understanding the gut-brain connection may aid in developing individualized treatments, possibly involving dietary changes or probiotics to positively impact the gut microbiome, immune system, and brain function. Number 3. Tiny human brain tissue organoids can't be legally considered a person. Researchers proposed the need for a legal framework to guide the conversation on whether or not human brain organoids can be considered people. Brain organoids are grown from stem cells in a lab, mimicking the growth and structure of real brains. However, they do not fulfill the requirements to be considered natural persons, according to the researchers. The study explores the potential juridical personhood of human brain organoids and whether they can be considered legal entities. Number 2. New antidepressant reduces stress and depression with low side effects. Depression is commonly treated with antidepressants that can be slow to work and often have severe side effects. A team of scientists explored the delta opioid receptors, DOPs, which play a key role in depression. They've found that DOP agonists are potentially more effective and have fewer side effects than many current drugs. The team identified a potent DOP agonist named KNT-127, which has significant antidepressant activity, quick action, and minimal side effects. KNT-127 prevents neuronal inflammation and reduces newborn neuronal death, exerting anti-stress and antidepressant-like effects. This study suggests a promising new avenue for depression treatment. Number 1. Exercise and the brain, the neuroscience of fitness explored. Exercise promotes neurogenesis, the creation of new brain cells, especially in the hippocampus, which is essential for learning and memory. It also triggers the release of mood-regulating neurotransmitters and a protein that supports neuron growth. Aerobic exercises can improve spatial memory, preserve vital brain matter, enhance sleep quality, and increase brain plasticity. Exercise also boosts cognitive functions, helps manage stress, and reduces inflammation, potentially decreasing the risk of neurological conditions. Current evidence strongly supports the benefits of regular physical activity for brain health and cognitive function. Don't forget to visit Neuroscience News for all the latest research news about neuroscience, AI, and cognitive sciences. And remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more neuroscience news updates. We'll see you again next time.